how to create a design like this in Affinity Photo. Go to the Layer menu and then down to New Fill Layer. Go to the top left of the control bar and go to Type and set it to Linear. Go to the Gradient Editor. Click there and then you can see the first stop as well as the last stop. Set that one to black and also set that one to black as well. So just select it and then go to Color and then set to black. Now you'll notice here I've got opacity of 0. I don't want that. I want to set it to 100. Make certain both the opacities are set to 100. What you need to do now is go to Insert. So go down here, Stop and Insert. And that will put a new stop at 50%. You need to click that, make certain the opacity is 100%. Click on the colour and set it to red. Make certain the gradient is linear. With the fill layer selected, go over to the gradient tool in the tools panel and then drag from the far left to the far right and create your gradient. And now you can see your laser beam with black there and black there. You now need to rasterize the layer. Go to Layer and down to Rasterize. Once you've done that, then go to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. And now you've got your pattern layer. Select the Move tool in the Tools panel, then go to the Layers panel. You can find that in View menu, Studio and Layers. Select the pixel layer and delete just down the bottom. Once you've got that, you've just got the pattern layer and you can now resize it. Go to the far left there, select that one and then resize. And as you do that, you see you've got thin lines or maybe slightly thicker, up to you. I want to add a mask to the selected layer. So with the layer selected, then go to a Layer and New Mask Layer. And as soon as you do that, you'll see you've got a mask associated with the current pattern. Select the mask in the Layers panel. Then go to the Gradient tool, and you can find that in the Tools panel. Go up here to Type and set that to Linear. Click on the Gradient Editor, and now the first stop needs to be black. The last stop, black as well. Okay, go down there, set that to black. And now go back to the first stop, so you can then click Insert. So click Insert and set that one to white. Just set that to white, and now you've got your gradient. Apply the gradient to the mask. Just simply drag from left to right, and as you do that, you can see now you've got the laser and the white, the background there. Deselect the pattern layer. Then go over here to the Tools panel and select the Heart tool. It's right down the bottom, Heart tool just there, and just apply a standard heart design. Now you can set the fill and the stroke. Now you can set it to anything you want. I've got it black and black for the stroke. Select the pattern layer in the Layers panel, then go to Edit and then Cut. And you can see now the pattern's gone. However, heart has been selected. Go to Edit and then Paste Inside. All parts of the design can be edited. It's still live. Go to the heart and resize if you wish. Also, change the interactive settings via the Heart tool. To modify the pattern layer, select it. However, I would suggest if you want to modify the pattern, deselect the mask. And now you can see you've got these controls again, and then you can resize that. You can also rotate if you wish, and much, much more. If you want the mask, put that back on again, and then just select the mask. Only the mask layer selected. You can then move it around and change it, modify it in many other ways. If you want to add an edge to this design, just go over here to the Layers panel and right-click the heart design and duplicate. Expand this out and you can still see the pattern. I want to delete that. So delete that pattern. And now what you can do is go over here, set the fill just click there and then set it to nothing. But however, the stroke, you can keep that black, green, whatever you want. Just click here and then change the width. So just increase that, maybe 30 or 40, something like that. With the layer selected, go down here, Effects, FX, click there, and then go to 3D. Make certain it's highlighted, and then set the radius. Just set it to about 30 or 40, depending on the size of the document and the image. Also, you can go outer glow, click there, and again make certain it's highlighted, and then set the radius, maybe 60 or 70, and then click close. And there you have it. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you very much.